Everybody should look. He go direct to my front of my house. He's going.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you. My darling people, my correct people, this video today just make me sad, like seriously. This video really pain me so much, like I don't understand. This one just the happen for Germany, my people. This small pikin, he come out go play with him mama. This small pikin go be that kind 2 years, if I'm not mistaken. So this small pikin dey play, one car just come from nowhere, just jam the, e just be like car wey dem send come. E jam the pikin. E no only jam am, the time when e even jam the pikin be never meme. E come still go pass, use the car take pass the pikin, my people. So as e come pass the pikin, na so the pikin now come take go. That pikin go be that kind 2 years or 3 years, you know. So like the thing really shockalize me. Say now the mama self just faint, you know, like the thing just really like just made me just tired. Some people are so wicked, like seriously. What thing will come make that Oyibo man now? It dey happen for Germany, yes. So it just happened today. Like the thing just shockalize me. Very sad news, very sad news. Some painful, you know. So I just feel for the family. I feel for the family because it's not easy to lose speaking just like that, you know. So I really feel for the family. I feel for them. So the thing really shockalized me, very painful. I just feel so sad for the family, you know. That Oyibo, that car, if you be saying I can send, they send a come, I don't really know. So painful. Say somebody just lost the pikin just like that, you know. Carry pikin go play, and where did they play? Not be even where car supposed to even enter. But the way this car take come from nowhere, and I just really like shockalize everybody. So the thing really shockalize everybody. So painful, like seriously, so painful, my people. So what to do? I see the video now. See make I do am, make I see share and give my people. Mona see wetin dey happen for the world. It's so painful, like seriously, so painful. I will put the video make una see my people. I will put the video make una see my people. It just pain me say that pikin just go just like that, you know. The family not go easy for them to bear them. You know, go really easy at all, like seriously. So my people, please mona help me share the video. Mona let the video go viral. It's so painful, like seriously. See somebody just lost the pikin just like that. May so rest in perfect peace, you know. So that is why we mothers, we dey careful for what they take our children. Go make they go play. Maybe they very careful because what can they happen for this world now? Nobody know. Nobody know where would they go. Now only for ourselves we can pray for. May God give us long life, you know. So painful. Say mama na can even dey bury a pikin just like that. So it's happening in Germany, my people. Please let me to share the.
Another one does still happen again, my people. For Jamie, this one happen for Jamie. Where be say one small pikin, one Oyibo use motor take by yam. Hello, my country people. Now, good morning, now good afternoon, now good evening. That one depends from where you watch me from. Welcome to Ebony the Lioness, aka MOA. If not the first time you come across my page, don't forget to follow this page. Okay, this one happened, my people, for Hamburg. According to the father, because the father contact me, tell me what really happened. According to the father say he come up for us in the morning. So the pikin, the mama say he want go kindergarten. Based on say they get 3 children together. So as the mama say me go carry kindergarten, where they put kindergarten for outside, he no say the pikin waka come on for where in day. So before you all know, the wife know, something don't happen to the pikin. As the pikin say the mama turn, pikin don't do under motor. So now the mama come begin shout. Tell the guy say the guy make he stop the motor. According to the father said the pikin stand for back of motor. The man now can't drive. As he hits the pikin, for him to take a break, make it rest, he just waka pass the pikin. Now the pikin just bear RYP that moment. So now police can come, ambulance can come. As they carry the pikin, they say few times now they contact the man say may go stay with the wife because the wife, they say wife, he say he wife, fence. So he call go meet the wife. Later now the daughter call come. He call tell her say whether na he be the papa of the pikin. Now he say yes. Now he call tell her say make he sorry say the pikin door he no gree stay again. Now the papa call begin dey cry for them. According to the father say when the Obalegbe people come, now the marketer say the pikin enter under the motor, and which the father say no, it is not true. Say the guy not see the pikin well, but for the moment we don't know whether na Rabu person do am, whether na Jama person do am. You know why, my people? Because they not gree reveal who the person be, but the papa thought say now Oyibo na the pikin na he be. So when did he see the come happen? Somebody can introduce the father to village, this our Africa community now, you know, meeting people. So they can't go take lawyer. So since that two is it happened on the 24th of last month, and the pikin now 1 year 6 months old. So the thing now, when they take one, the lawyer right there, but now the man say he never hear anything from the lawyer. He don't know what the happen. And now the lawyer call police. Police thought say they see they do investigation. They want to investigate waiting how the thing they happen. My country people. The fact that they talk now be say he want maybe say we join her fight this thing. If you get any idea of waiting the papa go do, we be say the will take get fast justice for this pikin. I bet my country people mona not fair. Contact me, make I contact the guy. I know so many of you don't they see the picture, they see everything for social media already. I bet this one had the opportunity to tell women that we need to be very careful. Very careful, because some people there for this abroad we say their head is not there again. They call mentally. Una know say some people they you get driving license, but they don't know how to use them. Now just to take course another thing, put pain for other people body. Now they do. So my people, I beg, if you be more than here, I beg drink with a try more with a day at for our where our children dey. May not be say we'll call the story that touches there. My condolence to the mother, because I wonder how the mother go they feel now. Since how many weeks now, a baby of 1 year and 6 months. You know, easy, my country people. Mona, have a wonderful evening. Have a wonderful afternoon. Have a wonderful morning. Bye everyone. I better not forget to share this video so that other mothers go learn from this video. Say we need to be at alert when it comes to our children. And more we see say a lot of people they will be say they're not their head in not their house. Bye everyone. Bye.
Everybody should look. He go direct to my front of my house. He's going.
Oh my God, this is a heartbroken video. This 2-year-old boy was killed in Hamburg, Germany. According to the father, they were in their compound. In fact, the mother was there. This car from nowhere just parked in their compound, and the car wanted to reverse, and that is how the car by this little boy. Why? Even in the compound, they wrote Vorsicht spielende Kinder. Here is for kids. They are playing. You should be careful. And also, car weren't allowed to be parked in the compound. But this person, I don't know where this person came from and decided to park in the compound. Oh, I felt for this innocent child. I pray let this innocent child get the justice he needs. Please kindly share this video so that this child will get this justice. You guys should watch the video that the father made.
House is going. This is the compound of the camp where I live with my children. It's going. Man or woman, any woman who don't the born, who get the feeling of children, help me ask this driver why he killed my son. I need justice for my son. I cannot come and kill my son for the front of my eye.